Hello everyone, my name is Maggie. Welcome to my channel. So I haven't vlogged a whole lot, just because I've been kind of enjoying my life this summer, and yeah, just like living and having a good time. So I must have said this in some of my vlogs, but I've mostly been saying it online, other places. There's a point in time where I was going to move. My plan was to move in August. This was like, I don't even know, like months and months ago. That was my plan, was to move in August. To move back to my college town, and to live alone and start fresh. Maybe not fresh because I already live there, but to kind of relocate a little bit, get back to closer to my family, a lot of my friends. Anyways, that was my plan. And then that plan was squashed because it cost so much money to live alone in my college town, more than I really ever expected. So I kind of gave up on that dream for a bit. Then my friend from college, Grace, who's been on my channel before, her living situation got kind of upended. And so suddenly I had a friend to move in with. That was the one thing that was kind of keeping me from moving, was I didn't want to get a roommate who I didn't know at all, just because my identity is very much a part of who I just can't have someone who doesn't get me. I can't live with someone who doesn't get me, who doesn't respect me. All the things, every part of me. So anyway, that was holding me back. Well, guess what? Suddenly I had a roommate. So for the past month, Grace and I have been searching high and low for places. Last weekend we went and viewed a place we really loved, and we applied, and I just got notification today that we are approved. So this is the official start of my moving vlogs. Y'all asked for them. I was like, yes, of course. And then I was like, nah, just kidding, not moving. And now, yes, once again, we are moving. This is the moving vlog. Moving vlog number 1. So right now what we're gonna do is freaking celebrate, because I am so ready to start a new chapter in my life, and I'm really excited to share it with you. So let's fucking celebrate. We're gonna celebrate. This is a bottle of sparkling rosé that my sister-in-law gave me during her bridal shower. I feel like I need to be more well lit, but I don't know where to put you. I'm just really scared. To new beginnings, new chapters, and moving. Okay, no, it didn't do anything. Yay! Oh, that's dry. Yay! Alright, well, now that we've celebrated in an anticlimactic way, let me fill you in on some more details. So, moving back to my college town, moving in 2 weeks. That is just what happened. They can only hold the apartment for so long, and we told them the 14th, so we's a move-in in 2 weeks. That's 2 weeks to go through all of the stuff I own and pack it and then move it. So this is gonna be really interesting, and I'm excited. So yay! Yay, moving! Yay, moving, Mama! Mama has no idea what's happening. She's gonna be so upset. She's gonna hate every second of it, but it's gonna be okay. All right, everyone. It is a little bit later now. It's Wednesday. A week and a half until moving day, and I was just struck by the urge to make my bedroom a little bit like fall. It feels kind of counterproductive because I'm gonna be packing it all up anyway, but who fucking cares? So I'm going to strip my bed, and I'm gonna wash all of my spring bedding so that when I pack it, it will be packed and ready to be opened during next spring. And I'm gonna bring out my fall winter bedding and put that on and make it all cozy. And then I can just pick it up and take it to my new place. So yeah, I'm so excited. I did it. Look. Look how cute. I love it. I love it so much. I love it so much. I love it so much. Hello, everyone. It's Friday now. It is pretty much a week until moving day, which is just great because I'm not ready at all. I couldn't find my camera last night because it was hiding. But I did last night. I got rid of makeup, and I put makeup in a separate bag to give to people I know who won't mind using lipstick that my lips have touched. Yeah, so this was all cluttered before. I might, if I can find a clip, I'll insert it here, but this was just all stuff. So now I have, this is all like the makeup and stuff that I use more on like a daily basis. I mean, not even really these, mostly just those. And then here I have all of my palettes. This box is so heavy. Up here I have other just like random makeup bits. This is all hair stuff. I put all of my glasses in their cases. I have so many pairs of glasses. This is all stuff that I use to like hold my makeup. I packed up all my jewelry. This is like a hanging jewelry thing that I just kind of put all my jewelry in it, rolled it up, and then taped it so it wouldn't explode. I have all of my many makeup brushes in here. I know some people might be like, Maggie, you really don't wear makeup as much anymore, which is true. However, I like to be prepared. I just know there's gonna be times I'm like, oh, I really wanna do a blank look, and if I don't have the makeup to do it, I'm gonna be mad. So obviously, I mean, I have a whole box of ColourPop makeup to give away to probably like a local like LGBTQ center. So definitely gonna do that. But yeah, I have this bag. This bag is lipsticks. It's all my brushes. Yeah. But yeah, so like I know I'm gonna need it eventually, or like I can do other people's makeup. Like I just like to be prepared because that's something I really do like to do. It's really creative and really fun. So keeping a lot of makeup, but that's okay. And I did clear all this off and all that. Yesterday I got this in the mail. I don't know if I'm gonna do these before or after I move, but they're custom fangs, and I just really don't want to lose them in my move. Because I paid like $14 for them. I'm trying to pack up my candles and I keep finding new ones all around my house. What else did I do yesterday? Oh, I packed up all my t-shirts. So this is now empty, mostly just full of like library books I'm gonna try and read before I move. So I packed up my t-shirts in a duffel bag. What else did I do? But yeah, I'm trying to get my candles in order. Stacey said she's basically gonna keep everything that I don't want, so I'm not gonna question that. I'm just gonna go with it. But I did start packing up my candles. This is all of the bubble wrap that I have from all of like the online, mostly ColourPop online orders that I've gotten, which is actually pretty handy. I'm not gonna wrap every single candle in bubble wrap because I'm not gonna go out and buy bubble wrap. I'm just gonna like use newspaper and magazines and stuff, but the ones that are either like autumn or like very new, or just like really special, like my Hocus Pocus like tapered candles, I definitely want to wrap those up because I don't want them to break. So I wrapped those up, and I mean it's hitting me just how much stuff I have, and I don't have any boxes. So like the boxes I have are those 2 boxes right there. So I think probably tomorrow I'm gonna have to go to some places and ask for boxes. I know you can do that. I just have to Google like where is the best place to do that. But yeah, I really need some boxes. I'm in a rare position where Stacey is staying here, so it's not like that, oh I can't pack it because I need it, oh I can't pack it because I need it, because it's like generally anything that I have, theoretically Stacey also has, because Stacey lived by herself, with someone else before me. So I should be able to, once we sort through all of this stuff and figure out whose is whose, just pack up all my kitchen stuff and have it ready to go. So I'm in a very good position where that's like something I can do. So yeah, so that's good, but I'm just like, there's a week until moving day and I have a lot to do, and I'm kind of getting into that mood where I'm like, I don't need it, I don't need it, I don't need it, like so yeah, it's interesting. Did I do anything else? I think that's pretty much it. One thing that's, I know, look at that sweet girl. One thing that's really pissing me off is this whole moving process, and this is the first time, I think it's because the last time I moved I had not been at my job so often. I work at a nonprofit that helps people who are experiencing homelessness, so I like just started working there when I moved, and now that I've been there for almost 3 years, the lighting has changed so much since I started this clip. But now that I've been working there for a bit, it is so irritating and jarring and disgusting how many hoops you have to jump through to get housing, how much money you have to pay to get housing. I know all of the facts and everything from my job, but it really is like with how like the money you have to sign a lease, right? But then the money you have to put down to start your electricity or to get renter's insurance, which are 2 things that I have to have before I can even sign a lease. Like not to mention the cost of moving and renting a U-Haul, and then if you don't have friends and family, you have to pay for movers, and it's just no freaking wonder like every time I have to pay something else or do something else or change my schedule, like I'm just like aware that it is a privilege to be able to do this, and there's so many people who need our help. So I'm gonna leave some resources in the description of this video, so you can check out your local homelessness organization or maybe some national stuff, so you can either donate, because I'm gonna be real, they all need money. I know you want to volunteer, I know you want to give them stuff, but they all need money. However, you don't have money and you'd rather give items, always ask the organization what they need before you give, because no one wants your like dirty old towels, okay? No one wants your jumbled hangers, okay? Always ask. But yeah, so anyway, I'm just like really freaking pissed about it, and mad and frustrated, but you know, yeah, I don't know, there's not really a conclusion, I'm just mad about it. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna get ready for work because it is Friday morning, and probably touch base tonight when I start doing something else. What that something else is, I don't know. Hey y'all, what's up? I'm in my car. I'm a little backlit. Maybe we can fix that. All right, there we go. That's better. I can't really see myself. Can you see me very well? It is Saturday now. Signing our lease at 11. Right now I'm at the mall because I have to go make a return. But yeah, just wanted to update you and say hi. We're signing our lease today. So fun. The mall that's open for another 6 minutes, so I'm just sitting in the car. I thought I would just talk to you. So I am very tired today. A little sore from packing. Last night I packed up about half of the kitchen, and it's just like, packing is so weird because like there's no, I mean there is like certain logics to it, like put things that belong in the same room in the same box, but it's also just like a weird Tetris game where you're just trying to like shove things in holes and you just constantly feel like you could have done this better. So that's been an interesting feeling. But yeah. I'm trying to think what else I have to pack up. Obviously all my clothes. I did want to try and go through my decorations a little bit. Maybe I'll do that when I get home. And more kitchen stuff. So yeah, but like last night I packed up all my candles, all my mugs. I need to like get all my decorations together. Yeah. I've not had enough coffee for this day, I'll tell you that. I can tell you that. All right, so I'm back in the car. We signed our lease, and we're good to go. Basically, we're just gonna pick up the keys next week, so that's exciting. I also picked up a pumpkin cold brew. I've heard many good things about this. I haven't had it yet. So this is gonna be like my first sip, my first reaction. So I'm also gonna get my phone up here because we love to cross promote. Here we go. It smells amazing. Ooh. That foam at the top is so good. Yeah, thanks. Yep, I don't really like the pumpkin spice latte, so I'm very happy that. Hello everyone. So we've reached the part of packing that I would describe as complete chaos. I'll just show you what's going on. So the kitchen, I'm waiting because Stacey and I have to parse out whose stuff is whose. Mostly just in regard to pots, pans, and Tupperware. I think that's pretty much the only stuff that I'm like, that's definitely like, it could be either of ours. Everything else I'm like, yeah, that's mine, or no, that's not mine. So anyway, the kitchen, it looks like a fucking mess. Wow. But look at all this that I've packed, okay? I did this. Look, I packed all these boxes. I did that. I packed all these boxes. Hell yeah. I did that. And then if we go into the bedroom, I have, oh my gosh, look, I packed all these too. This is bedding. This is all decorations. That is more bedding. And then I got one bag of clothes in my closet. My room is just like, I took down all the artwork. So there's like no artwork on the wall. So basically all I have left to really pack up are my clothes, which I'm gonna try not to do until midweek just so I can do laundry. And because I have to wear them. And that's not gonna be too hard because I'm basically just going to wrap all of my hanging clothes on, or wrap it in a trash bag and hang them up so they're ready to go. Don't know if I'm gonna try and put those in a box. I feel like that would make the most sense. So that's one thing. And then my shoes, I need a really big box for all my shoes. I need to pack up like my electronic equipment and just like some stuff in my bedroom and then the kitchen. And that is mostly it. So I'm feeling really good. I have all of tomorrow to pack. I just don't have any more boxes, so tomorrow I might go and into the recycling bin in my apartment because I saw people carrying really big boxes downstairs and I was like, ooh, I could use those. So I might go recycling bin time just so I can keep on packing. But yeah, things are looking up, things are good. Today was good and I'm ready to relax because I'll be honest, my back's not feeling so great. There's a certain way when I step where I'm like, it feels like spasmy, and I honestly has nothing to do with packing. I just went to fill up Mama's litter box a little bit, and the like 26-pound box of litter, and I was like kneeling on like one leg, like proposing, and whatever muscle in my back I used to do that, it was like, that's too much for me. So unrelated to moving, but will impact moving, so I'm gonna also rest that tonight. But yeah, it's happening in a week. At this time in a week, I will be completely moved into my apartment. Mama won't be there, but all of my stuff will be there. So that's an exciting thought. Okie dokie, it is Sunday now. I mean, I look like it's a Sunday, right? Totally. It's so weird to have empty walls behind me. I'm gonna give you an update of where we are packing, and then I'm going to put the camera away. And I think this will be the cut of the first video of my moving. And so after this, it will probably just be like a little bit more packing and then moving. So anyway, let's look at our progress, shall we? Okay, we got that box, and we got all these over here in the closet. Hello, me. I have a good chunk of my clothes hung up. I just ran out of trash bags, so I'll have to get, oh, I should have asked Stacy to get those. Sweaters that need to go, but everything else is pretty much up. Yeah, we'll just leave that there. Just leave that there. And then if we come out into the, oh, hi, gorgeous. Out here. I'm not sure how much has changed since yesterday. This is basically all the same. But here I have my big kitchen box started. So this has all my pots and pans in it, a little bit of pantry stuff. But that's not going to be finished for a bit because, you know, still using some of my kitchen stuff. Again, the kitchen is still a right fucking mess. But yeah, I'm actually really pleased. I have a whole, oh my God, 5 days to get everything ready to be shipped, to be moved. And I'm feeling really good. So I hope you like this video. You asked for it, so here you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy my misery.